Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the smart keyboard in prescripto. So as you can see, there are 5 tabs in this smart keyboard. The last one is for setting. We are not going to cover it now. So let's start from the first tab, which is to write the diagnosis. So let's write acne. This is just to show you an example. So let's give acne vulgaris. Okay, so you can click on it once again, it will turn green and you can see this acne vulgaris under the possible diagnosis. And if you click on it again, it will disappear. You click on it again, it reappears. So like that. So that's it. So now let's move on to the next tab and let's open this acne and pigmentation. Here you can add any drug, let's say doxycycline. So before giving doxycycline, you want to check what this is going to put in your prescription. So here is the description written here. You can see the description written here. All right, you can of course edit it and close it if you want to. You can edit it and close it if you want to. Okay, so if you want to add a new drug, for example, so let's add a new drug for acne. So a new drug for acne, you can add it like this: new drug for acne. So you have to write the name and then you have to give the description. That means the description is the complete thing in writing, that is what is going to appear in the prescription. So next you have to choose a drug class. So for that, acne and pigmentation, add and close. So for the time being, this will be shown in the bottom of this panel. From the next time when you reload the app, it will be inside this acne and pigmentation tab. For now, it will be there. So let's click on it. Let's say new drug for acne. So similarly, you can add any element from this this investigation tab or for this general advice tab. Okay, let's, for example, let's give this. Let's give just for example, no cosmetic. Okay, so like this, it will be in the additional advice. So you can also write anything in another language. Here, see, I have written something in Bengali. So of course you can edit that if you want to. So that's it basically. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.